Okay, I should also say that I should also say for all C real number. Okay, to be linear, this has to be always true for any x and any y. And this has to be always true for any real number c and any vector x. Okay, let's look at some examples. Let's look at our function f of x is equal to x squared. So this, you can think of it as a function or a transformation from R1 to R1. So R1 to R1, is this linear? Well, the graph is not a line, so we're going to guess no. But let's see, why not? Question mark, is this linear? Let's see. Well, just try some examples. F of 1 plus 1. Does that equal f of 1 plus f of 1? Let's see, this is f of 2, right? Which is 2 squared, which is 4. That's the left-hand side. And the right-hand side is 1 squared plus 1 squared, which is equal to 2. So no, it fails. I can see that my function f does not pass this test. Okay, this test is test number 1 here. Okay, I need a distribution. So no, f fails condition 1. Let's do an example of something that is linear. This is going to be called a matrix transformation. Let A equal 1, 2, -1, 0, 0, 3. You know what? I apologize. Changed my mind. Let's do something more abstract. Let A be, we'll say m by n. Consider, if you will, the function t of x is equal to a times x. So we're defining a transformation. So what does it do? It takes a vector x, that's the input, and the output is a times x. So the question is t linear? Well, let's see. So we'll check number one. T of x plus y is equal to a times x plus y. Okay, how do I know that's true? Well, it's just that is just the definition up here, right? And we know from 1.4 that matrix times a vector, that product, does distribute across a sum of vectors. And finally, well, look, what is this? AX, that's AX up here, right? So that's T of X. And A times Y, that would be T of Y, would it not? Yes, it would. So what have I proven with this sequence of equal signs here? I've proven that my transformation T, given here, passes condition number one. I've given a demonstration. So, good, give myself a little check mark. 2. T of C times X. Okay, that is indeed C times T of X. And I'll just say we saw in 1.4 that this is true. Okay, so passes both the tests. Therefore, T is linear. Or I could say T is a linear transformation.